I'll give the floor to India.
Mr. Chair, India takes note of the report of the special rapporteur. India possesses a rich and diverse cultural heritage of artistic, literary, musical, and craft traditions spanning millennia. They continue to flourish across the country. Recognizing the immense value of this heritage, India has established comprehensive legal and institutional frameworks to protect and promote traditional knowledge and cultural expressions. The Geographical Indications of Goods Registration and Protection Act 1999 has been instrumental in safeguarding India's traditional products with over 400 GI tags registered. The Government of India has instituted numerous schemes, including the National Mission on Cultural Mapping, financial support to traditional artisans, and National Center for Design and Product Development. The Traditional Knowledge Digital Library of India has documented over 36 million pages of traditional knowledge to prevent bio-piracy and misappropriation of India's ancestral wisdom. These robust mechanisms demonstrate India's unwavering commitment to preserving, promoting, and protecting these traditional cultural expressions while ensuring sustainable livelihoods for cultural practitioners. In this regard, my delegation would like to respond to some of the remarks in the rapporteur's report. We believe that rapporteur's assertion on traditional cultural expression in India facing decreasing demand has no factual basis, and none has been provided by the rapporteur. India stresses that its cultural economy, including traditional arts, crafts, and performances, continue to thrive with the robust popular and government support through initiatives mentioned previously and the substantial budgetary allocations promoting them. We find no empirical data that substantiates the claim of declining demand for India's traditional cultural expressions. To the contrary, technology and new digital platforms have further enhanced the outreach of and the demand for traditional cultural expressions. The suggestions that intermediaries and middlemen pose unaddressed threats to traditional cultural expressions overlooks India's comprehensive legal framework and contradicts SR's assertion of their decreasing demand. The Copyright Act 1957 and the Information Technology Act 2000 provides robust mechanisms to regulate intermediaries and protect creators' rights, including provisions for licensing, royalty collection, and enforcement against infringement. Furthermore, in our view, the characterization of protection under India copyright law as superficial is inaccurate and unwarranted. India's Copyright Act fully complies with major international instruments, including Bonn Convention, Rome Convention, TRIPS Agreement, and WIPO treaties. The Act provides comprehensive protection for literary, artistic, musical, and cinematography works, including traditional cultural expressions, with enforcement mechanisms and penalties for violations.